Students, now today we are going to start sixth lesson from mathematics part 2, that is trigonometry. Okay, students, you already had studied this lesson in 9th standard, that this trigonometric word is the combination of three Greek words, that is tri means three, gona means sides, and metron means measurement. Means the measurement of three sides of a triangle is trigonometry. Okay, and trigonometry is applied in right angle triangle. Okay, you already studied how to find out the trigonometric ratios. In 9th standard we studied three trigonometric ratios. So let us recall that trigonometric ratios. The first ratio is sin theta. Let here triangle ABC. In this triangle, angle B is 90 degree and this angle C is acute angle which I denote as theta. So we will see how to find out trigonometric ratios for this angle theta. Okay. So first trigonometric ratio is sin theta. The formula for sin theta is side opposite to angle theta upon hypotenuse. Now again focus on the figure. This angle is theta. Okay, so which side is opposite to angle theta? Side AB. Okay, and as we know that the side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So AC is the hypotenuse. Now with respect to this angle theta, side AB is opposite side, side BC is adjacent side, and AC is hypotenuse. Okay. Now using these three sides, let us see how to find trigonometric ratio. So as I read the first ratio, sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side to angle theta upon hypotenuse. So opposite side to angle theta is side AB and hypotenuse is AC. So for this angle theta, sin theta ratio we will write as AB upon AC. Okay. Next ratio is cos theta. Formula for cos theta is side adjacent to angle theta upon hypotenuse. Okay. Angle theta. So adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So cos theta is equal to BC upon AC. BC upon AC. Okay. Third ratio is tan theta. Tan theta formula is side opposite to angle theta upon side adjacent to angle theta. Now here, side opposite to angle theta is AB and side adjacent to angle theta is BC. So tan theta ratio we will get AB upon BC. Okay. Now these three trigonometric ratios we already studied in 9th standard. Now we go for three new ratios. Cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Okay. Now formula for cosec theta is hypotenuse upon side opposite to angle theta. Now hypotenuse is AC and opposite side is AB. So cosec theta we will get AC upon AB. Okay. Fifth ratio is sec theta. Formula is hypotenuse upon side adjacent to angle theta. Hypotenuse is AC, adjacent side is BC. So here we will get AC upon BC. Then sixth ratio is cot theta. Formula is side adjacent to angle theta upon side opposite to angle theta. So BC upon AB. BC upon AB. So students, these are the 6 trigonometric ratios and which are very important. This is the base of this lesson. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Okay. Now we studied how to find out these ratios. Now we will see what is the relation between these trigonometric ratios. Relation between trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now see, the first trigonometric ratio is sin theta and its formula is side opposite to angle theta upon hypotenuse. Now focus on cosec theta ratio. Hypotenuse upon side opposite to angle theta. So you will come to know that this sin theta and cosec theta, these are the reciprocals of each other. Okay. From this formula you come to know that they are reciprocal. So we will get the first relation, that cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, or vice versa, sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Understood? This is the first relation. Then second relation. Now observe cos theta ratio, side adjacent to angle theta upon hypotenuse, and sec theta, hypotenuse upon side adjacent to angle theta. So cos theta and sec theta, they are reciprocal of each other. So from these ratios we will get the relation sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Then third relation. Same way we will get the relation between tan theta and cot theta. Just from the formula you come to know. They are reciprocal. So here we will get tan theta and cot theta relation. That is cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Okay. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. Followed, student? So these are the relations. Now one more relation we will get here. Third one. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. Now see. Sin theta is equal to side opposite to angle theta upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to side adjacent to angle theta upon hypotenuse. If you divide these two ratios, you will get side opposite to angle theta upon side adjacent to angle theta. And this ratio is the tan theta ratio. Understood? Followed? So this way we got tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Then fourth one is, as we know that tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal of each other. So if tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, then cot theta is equal to, we will get cos theta upon sin theta. No, sorry sir, numbers wrong. Here this is fourth ratio and this one is fifth ratio. So this way we got 5 relations between these trigonometric ratios. Followed? Now student, this is the base of trigonometry. and this is useful to solve the problems. Okay, students, now we will see values of trigonometric ratios of angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so student, this table is very important at the time of exam. Okay, you should know how to prepare the table. Once you know the trick how to prepare the table for these values, it is very easy to recall the values, trigonometric values. Okay, now what we have to do? First here we have to write the angles in ascending order. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Then on this side you have to write trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. These 6 trigonometric ratios you have to write. Okay. Now student, to prepare this table, this first line is very important. If you write these values of trigonometric ratios for sin theta, for these angles, then the whole table is easy to prepare. Okay, there are different techniques how to write this table. Okay, one simple technique I am going to tell you that first sin theta ratio for 0 degree, write 0. Then sin 30 degree. Just you have to recall the theorem of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree type triangle. That side opposite to 30 degree angle is half of hypotenuse. That's why here sin theta value we will write here half. Okay. Then recall 45, 90 degree theorem. Side opposite to 45 degree is 1 upon root 2 times hypotenuse. So sin theta value for 45 degree angle is 1 upon root 2. Okay. Then 60 degree. Side opposite to 60 degree angle is root 3 upon 2 times hypotenuse. So sin 60 degree value you will get root 3 upon 2 and sin 90 value is 1. Okay. How these values calculated, that we already studied in 9th standard. Okay. So here we just wrote the value: sin 0 degree 0, sin 30 half, sin 45 1 upon root 2, sin 60 root 3 upon 2, sin 90 1. Okay. Now next value is cos theta. Now to write the values of cos theta, this first line just you have to write in reverse order. So the last value you will write here first. Then next is root 3 upon 2. Next is 1 upon root 2. Next 1 upon 2. Next is 0. Followed? Then tan theta. Now tan theta ratio we know, sin theta divided by cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta. So you just have to divide this. 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by any number, 0. 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2. You have to divide these values. So what we will get? 1 upon root 3. Okay. Then 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2. We will get answer 1. Then root 3 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. We will get root 3 upon 1 means root 3. 1 upon 0. Now if you divide any number by 0, that value is meaningless. It is not a rational number. So here we will write not defined. ND means not defined. Okay. Now next ratio is cosec theta. Just now we studied the relation between trigonometric ratio. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Means cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Now we know sin theta values. We just have to make its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 0 is 1 upon 0. So again 1 upon 0. 1 is divided by 0. That means it is not defined. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2. 2 upon 1 means 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 2. Root 2 upon 1 means root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 upon 2. 2 upon root 3. And reciprocal of 1 is 1. Understood how we find out cosec theta? Next is sec theta. Now the formula for sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So we have to make reciprocal of cos theta. First value is 1. So reciprocal of 1 is 1. Then reciprocal of root 3 upon 2 is 2 upon root 3. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2. And reciprocal of 0, 1 upon 0, that is not defined. Or simply you can see that this line we have to write in reverse order. 1, 2 upon root 3, root 2, 2, not defined. Simple technique. Okay. Then cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. That means cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Reciprocal of 0, 1 upon 0, that is not defined. Then reciprocal of 1 upon root 3 is root 3. Reciprocal of 1, 1. Reciprocal of root 3, 1 upon root 3. And not defined, how we got not defined? 1 upon 0. So its reciprocal is 0 upon 1. So 0 divided by any number? 0. Understood? So this way, using simple technique, we can prepare the values for trigonometric ratios 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. You just have to remember the first line, and from this first line we can prepare the whole table.